Hey, good afternoon. This is Dr. Dan Lambert with Medical Fitness and Wellness Group and Inside Out Chiropractic of Johns Creek, Georgia. In thinking about what I wanted to talk about with this series of videos, I think I mentioned before that it always strikes me a little bit funny as to what people think their version of the problem is. And some of the complaints or excuses I've heard. I slept on it wrong. I did something in the backyard. Typically, those aren't the causes of your problem. You can make things worse doing that, but you're not creating problems with those activities. So what I want to talk about today is ergonomics, your workplace, how you work, how you position yourself, what your posture is like while you're working, and the damaging effects that can have on your health. When you sit down in a chair, you flatten out your low back. If you have a disc problem or a problem with your pelvis, you're making that a lot worse. It doesn't hurt while it's happening. When you're sitting in the chair all day long, you're not typically having pain because the big muscles get to relax. But you go to get out of the chair and those muscles fire off and let you know there's something going on. Same thing with the head, neck, and shoulders. I'm sure a lot of you, when you get to the end of the day, you complain about stress, aches, and pains, and you say to yourself, my boss sucks, or I'm carrying a lot of tension, or my job's too hard, I'm working too long. Really what that is your body's designed to have a forward curve in the neck. This is the anatomical neutral position. And when you're working and looking at your computer or down on your desk all day long, you got your head under a hood or whatever your job duties entail, and you've got that head forward, the muscles of your neck and shoulders, these big, large, strong muscles, are contracting, trying to pull your head back into this position. So you can imagine after 8 hours of that, you're going to have some tightness and tension in your shoulders. And it's not how hard your job was, it's just the way you're doing your job. Take a look at my model over here. I got my friendly spine again. You see, when you sit down in a chair, you flatten out your low back. You bring your pelvis into a posterior rotated position. Fancy terminology. And then also with the workout in front of you, you got your head down. So those three things going on are putting a lot of tension on your spinal cord all day long. And very few of us are doing something about reversing the effects of that. At Medical Fitness and Wellness, we offer what we call a lunch and learn. We will come to your office place. It doesn't matter if you got 5 employees or 500. We will come, we'll bring lunch, we'll bring our massage therapist, we'll sit down and talk, do question and answer sessions to help you with this, to fix the problem, and to create a healthier environment there at work. So go ahead and give us a comment here if you're on Facebook. If you're watching the video on YouTube, go to our website at exerciseforprevention.com, shoot us an email, and we'll try and set something up. Thanks.